Finny, what do you have? Can I have that, please? Give it to me, please. Finnigan. Oh my God. I was downstairs for 30 seconds to get dish soap because I'm cleaning out underneath my kitchen sink. And so I needed dish soap. Finnigan. And he already grabbed that. Give that to me. Finnigan, please. 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 Can I have that? Thank you. Thank you. Finnigan. God. See? Literally have my stuff pulled out because I'm cleaning underneath there. Go down to get those to refill that. And he grabs that. Oh, okay. Good boy. You want a cookie? Stop right. Oh, you little turd. Come here. God, he's just too fast for me, guys. Please. Please. Okay, go sit down and chew it up. It might be toxic. You are the biggest brat. Okay, let's see if he'll sit down for a minute. Air fryer going. Cleaning. Just let him do his thing for a minute. Oh, he's sweating. Okay, he's probably on the couch by now. Okay. Ignore him. Oh no, he's not on the couch yet. Finnigan, please, son. Here, I have cookie jar. Look, come here. Come here. Finny. Look at Toby, the perfect angel. Toby, you're the perfect angel, son. You really are. Finnigan, let's get cookies. Let's see if he wants his cookies. Look, Mommy's got cookie jar. Come on. Let's get in your cookie jar. Yeah. Here. Cookie and a cookie. Now wait, you take those and I get that. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it before me. Got it. It worked, didn't it, Finn? Brat. Go ahead, finish your cookie. You left a piece on the floor. Look at the perfect angel. The perfect angel. And yes, I don't leave this ugly dog blanket on my couch when people come over, but it's here so that my couch isn't nasty when people come over. All right. Well, that was fun. All right.